Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best electric drill Dremel reviews. Product sell points: versatile material compatibility, compatible with a range of materials, from wood to glass. For diverse crafting needs, dual LED lighting, features dual LED lights for clear visibility in dimly lit workspaces. Enhancing precision. Comprehensive accessory kit, includes 236 accessories for diverse DIY projects, from woodworking to metal engraving.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.